Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to organize your craft projects using Airtable, your ultimate 2025 guide. Let's start by creating a new base in Airtable. This is your digital workspace where all your craft projects will live. The reason we do this is because it allows you to have a centralized place for all your project details. Next up, let's add some fields. These are the specific details of your projects. For example, you might create fields for project name, materials needed, or due dates. This helps us because it allows you to get granular with your project details, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a record for each of your craft projects. Simply click on the plus button to add a new record and fill in the details in the fields you've created. This organizes each of your craft projects in a neat, easy-to-view format. But what if you have craft projects that are similar or related? That's where linking records comes in. For example, if you have multiple projects using the same type of yarn, you can link these records together. This is beneficial because it allows you to see connections and relationships between your projects at a glance. Finally, let's talk about views. Airtable allows you to create different views of your records based on certain criteria. For instance, you can create a view that only shows projects due next week or projects that require a certain type of material. This is a crucial step because it provides you with a dynamic way to look at your projects based on your immediate needs or interests. And there you have it. You've just organized your craft projects in Airtable. Remember, the key is to make the system work for you. So don't be afraid to tweak and adjust as needed. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time with more tips and tricks.